Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to do the poem The Song of the Engine, written by the poet Kristen Weatherly. Children, this poem is about an engine. It is an interesting and motivational poem which gives us a beautiful message. Let's get started. When you travel on a railway and the line goes up the hill, just listen to the engine as it pulls you with a will. Children, have you ever traveled through railway in hills? I think some of you might have traveled by train in the hills. It might be an enjoyable experience, isn't it? Yes, it is. Let's read what does the poet say in the poem. When you travel on the railway and the line goes up the hill, just listen to the engine as it pulls you with a will. These lines express the experience of traveling a railway. You must have observed, children, when the train has to go up on a hill, it becomes quite slow because its engine has to work really hard to pull the train up. But the engine does not give up because the engine is determined and has a wish that it can do it and it wants to reach the hill. Though it goes so very slowly, it sings this little song, I think I can, and so it goes along. As you know, the train is going up very slowly as its engine is facing great difficulty to pull it. But still, to motivate itself, it is singing a beautiful song that is, I think I can, and it goes along. Because the engine is very determined to reach the hill. That's why it sings a song that it can do. Similarly, students, like the engine, we should boost ourselves and never give up in difficult situations. We should always say to ourselves that we can do it. But later on the journey, when you are going down a hill, the train requires no pulling and the engine is singing still. But after some time, when the train starts moving down the hill, you must have observed it becomes quite fast because now the engine does not have to make that too much efforts. But still, the engine does not stop singing. If you listen very quietly, you will hear this little song. I thought I could, and so it speeds along. If you listen silently or quietly, you will hear this little song that the engine is talking to himself and realizing his success. And he thought he could do it. And he did. And the speed of the train increases accordingly. Means when the engine reaches the mountain, it is very happy. And after getting the success, it is saying, I thought I could. I did it. And with this energy, its speeds increases. Similarly, students, in our lives also, when some hard situations comes and when we cross these situations successfully by motivating ourselves, after that everything goes smooth and we say we did it. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.